In 2011, a team of Swedish treasure hunters searching the depths of the Baltic Sea made a discovery that sent shockwaves around the world. Using sonar technology, they captured an image of an object that looked like something straight out of science fiction. A massive, disc-shaped formation lying silently on the seafloor, 300 feet beneath the waves. Was this the wreckage of a lost UFO? An ancient structure built by a forgotten civilization? Or something far more ordinary? Over a decade later, the mystery of the Baltic Sea Anomaly remains unsolved, fueling endless speculation and debate. Join us as we dive deep into the facts, theories, and unanswered questions surrounding this underwater enigma. The story begins with Ocean X, a professional salvage and treasure hunting team led by Peter Lindberg and Dennis Osberg. Their mission? To locate sunken shipwrecks and uncover treasures lying forgotten on the ocean floor. But during one of their expeditions in June 2011, their sonar scans revealed something entirely unexpected. At a depth of around 300 feet, 91 meters, they detected a circular formation measuring nearly 200 feet, 60 meters, in diameter. Its shape was eerily symmetrical, resembling a saucer-like object with distinct ridges and grooves. Even more puzzling was a second, smaller object located nearby, as well as a long 300-meter track leading up to the anomaly, suggesting that whatever this was, it may have slid or moved across the seabed before coming to a stop. When the team released the sonar images, the world took notice. The circular, almost spacecraft-like shape sparked wild speculation, and theories of alien encounters quickly began to spread. One of the most popular, and perhaps most sensational theories, is that the Baltic Sea Anomaly is the remains of a crashed alien spacecraft. Enthusiasts point to the symmetry, the unnatural ridges, and the structure's resemblance to the Millennium Falcon from Star Wars as evidence of its extraterrestrial origins. Adding to the intrigue are reports from the Ocean X team claiming that electronic equipment malfunctioned when they approached the anomaly. Sonar equipment, communication devices, and even lights reportedly stopped working as they neared the site. To UFO enthusiasts, these anomalies are classic signs of alien technology interfering with human devices. Could this be a relic from a distant civilization that crashed into the ocean millennia ago? Or perhaps a piece of advanced alien technology that continues to emit an unexplained electromagnetic field? While this theory captures the imagination, it remains highly speculative and lacks solid evidence to back it up. Another theory takes us back to the turbulent times of World War II. The Baltic Sea was a strategic hotspot for naval activity during the war, with countless submarines, mines, and experimental technology being deployed in the region. Some researchers suggest that the anomaly could be a secret Nazi anti-submarine device or another type of forgotten wartime structure. During World War II, the Nazis experimented with advanced technology and underwater defenses. Could the anomaly be a remnant of one of these classified wartime projects? Alternatively, it's been suggested that the formation might be the wreckage of a sunken submarine or military vessel, though the size and shape don't entirely match any known designs. Despite the wartime connection, no concrete evidence has been found to link the anomaly to any military activity in the region. But what if the answer lies not with aliens or military secrets, but with the forces of nature? Geologists and marine experts propose that the Baltic Sea Anomaly may be a glacial deposit, a remnant left behind by the melting glaciers of the last ice age, around 10,000 years ago. The Baltic Sea is littered with large rocks and boulders carried by glaciers during their slow march across the land. Some experts believe the anomaly might be a moraine, a pile of debris deposited by retreating glaciers, or a basalt formation shaped over millennia by underwater currents. The circular shape. It could be the result of natural erosion, giving the impression of an artificial structure. Even the grooves and markings observed on the surface could be the product of glacial movement or marine erosion. While this theory offers a more grounded explanation, it doesn't explain the reported electronic malfunctions or the unusual material samples collected by the Ocean X team. When the Ocean X team returned to the anomaly for a closer examination, they uncovered even more mysteries. Divers reported that the structure was covered in a strange, stone-like material resembling concrete or volcanic rock. They also discovered circular grooves and patterns that didn't appear to be naturally formed. But perhaps the most puzzling find was the layer of black soot covering parts of the object's substance that some believe could be the result of burning or extreme heat. Could these findings point to something beyond natural explanations? Or are they simply the product of misunderstood geological processes? Despite the compelling theories and strange reports, most scientists remain skeptical. Experts point out that sonar images can be misleading, often creating shapes and patterns that the human mind interprets as artificial. Additionally, while the anomaly's size and shape are unusual, there's no conclusive evidence to suggest it's anything more than a natural formation. Without high-resolution imaging, physical samples, or detailed mapping, the mystery remains unsolved. So far, no definitive proof has emerged to confirm or debunk the theories surrounding the anomaly. And until further exploration is conducted, the true nature of the Baltic Sea Anomaly will remain a subject of speculation and wonder. Over a decade later, the Baltic Sea Anomaly continues to capture the imagination of scientists, explorers, and conspiracy theorists alike. Whether it's a relic of an ancient civilization, a piece of advanced alien technology, or simply a natural wonder, one thing is certain: the mystery is far from solved. What do you think lies beneath the waves? Is the truth out there, waiting to be discovered? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep-sea mysteries.